Welcome back to 4th of Slime 2026. I don't know what part number it is anymore. Maybe 11, maybe 17. I don't know. We have to get rid of the spent slime. That's, I don't even want to touch it. But I guess for scientific purposes, it's very gooey at the top. Lots of grass in it. And even oogs.
I'm not quite sure how to help you with that.
Okay. That's great. So I like to put it down the garbage disposal. And I like to do it in batches. In other words, don't just dump the whole thing. That wouldn't be good. Turn on the garbage disposal.
Okay.
It's going to make its way, just get it started here for a moment. It smells very earthy. It smells very earthy. Let that fill back up. Oh wow, actual blue. I like to get as much water going down at the same time as actual refuse. Which is also refuse, which is also refuse, which is also refuse, as in putting a new fuse on. Kind of like how an advertisement is an advertisement, and a coupon is a coupon. No, not in these parts. One more dousing with water so we get everything kind of liquefied. At least it kind of just comes right off, so that's nice. Almost all. Turn off the cartilage disposal.
Okay.
And now I just wash the pot. That's all there is to it.